Oh my god. Guys, I am currently in a fruit tree. You don't ask me there, but right now look like a madman of fruit. My clothes ain't even fixed up like we can't do this new boba place for only half a tree. And I want to try it because I always part of I want to do because if I want thing, I love sign on my video them. And I love see when she go try her boba them and them something there. So it kinda inspired me to also do that, you guys. So I don't know if I want to buy it. I never go to Starbucks, but I want matcha because I want matcha for a while now, bro. And it's currently 11:30. I'm going to try matcha. You guys, I haven't been vlogging lately. Today is Sunday. I'm gonna have no YouTube ever post today, guys. So I'm gonna try and see if I can like do something. Anyways, guys, so basically, by the boba place, or boba place, and in here so it's so freaking cute, you guys. Like, oh my god, like I feel like damn, and that's an opinion I was talk about when I'm trying boba because in here so it's just so freaking cute. People are talking about judgment, talk about oh my god, I'll be an anime idiot, you know, there so. In here so it's pretty cool and it feels so. Always, I feel like say, oh, like the moon and like them. This is showing the decor, but in here so it's perfect. Perfect. Them some free 20 minutes for them time for prep open store at the first. You guys should definitely give me a discount right now. So guys, I don't know if I can hear me because music is playing here. It's a chicken and burger that I want to eat. We can eat from here. I don't know if I can hear me. Oh, well, I can't eat it here. Come on, guys. Guys, I totally forget about them because since I have vlog for TikTok also, I forget about them, but I got cash a while ago and I give me discount like the boba, I tell them I buy. So I buy the Oreo boba milk tea and I want $200 and I want $200 feel and then the woman says I want $1,000. So they give me discount. I am like so happy right now, you guys. Like, oh my god. I'm like so excited to try what else I was gonna film for TikTokers because I do a TikTok series I'm gonna know. So I'm gonna try like new things. So I'm so excited to try it. Maybe try boba one time but a long time with my friend on this video. And it tastes really nice. So I will be some Oreo. Guys, my bite tastes so good. Like, but only prefer because I like a chocolate, like milk, I mean, something like me and chocolate milk and green, like bathroom. Afraid. I'm supposed to drive fast, like God please. I know me if you watch this, I know me. Me you should actually hang on them there and try like them things here. Because they're, you know, the I never want to come try this. I think you tried before. Anyway, you can go on. You should see some nice cute cup. Some people want to buy one, but you know, I'm going to yard, I spend too much car there, guys. I spend a whole money in there.
La la ya la ya la ya la 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 ya la ya la ya la ya la la ya la ya la ya la 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 ya la ya.
Guys, I keep and I forget some of vlog. Just look, oh my eyelash looks so freaking tall and looks perfect. Anyways, I'm keep and I forget say me a vlogger and if you know. But me say JTC I went campus and the bus not there. Because it just reaches not really just but there something like 10 minutes and then maybe go downstairs go down and it's not post numbers because I was like I want to reach them quick. But when I snap was media. So when I started with my JTC, I use my car, my JTC car to car. When I make a day, that's how I bus. I'm just like whenever I go out, I just like travel. I'm like go to now, I'm just not like when you spend the taxi and the bus, I'm not like taxi and bus like I get travel sick. I feel like anyways. When you're on the bus, that's how that's like when I have a service or nothing. So, hey guys, I feel like, well, I'm not black one now in my room, but now that's expensive. So I am home and before I left, I write this in my room. This said, no one should be in my room. Let me put some welcome home Ricardo because I'm never at home. Anyways, I don't know say my room switch up because I never did that like a vlog, right? I never did a vlog. Never did a vlog earlier and some things one in my room I don't know because I never did a vlog. Shiba butter me guys, I can't make sure again because something that will make it vlog. Hey guys, with the barber shop. When I get in the barber shop, I can never film because a bee Scooby-Doo always there, so should I trim myself? This is before. This is after. Anyways guys, I did the barber shop for literally 2 hours and I feel like my personality was not shining like I was being someone who I wasn't. But anyways, now I'm going to sleep. Probably later I'm showing the earcut. This is actually the earcut. Very cute. Me I go actually later on sleep. Me literally drain. Oh my god. I need to later on sleep right now. Anyways, hi guys, good morning. So I feel like I can finally talk to you guys because every time I talk to you and tell you things, it's like someone that's always like, oh, I can't talk to you. Why this not look straight? But anyways, don't mind the white background. I need it like but tell you yesterday. But I tell you know, but actually edit that part of the video like yesterday clip already last night. So really and truly, if it's one time because like from this video, I want to talk to them or something, but like, but there's wait, what the fuck? text me. Me live up by telling me that me live like want to explain to them again, like I want to tell them again. But my room kinda look different just because the boy has been just living, you guys, just doing things, and I feel like say me not record like you feel like in like months, like probably a month now. But it's just by the ways, my room, I feel like in this video when I show like half of the video was literally my room sending like groups in this room with different, everything was just put up everything. Because my room did a renovation. So for the next couple of videos, there was still this white wall in the background. Don't mind it. If you paint, but I wonder if I want to paint my room in a, my room want to paint because room mess up. If I want to put my room back in a blue, I want change. Like, I don't know guys, the blue look really nice. I love blue, like light blue is my favorite color. But I don't know if I want to put my room in a blue. I need a change like this. You just want to change, like you just want to change something. So yeah, today is Monday and we have some errands to run up on the road and things there. So now come with me and we'll run them together. Yeah, we've got a package. We need to do a few things. I want to actually edit some content as well. But I can't even edit. But let me just give you guys a look. Like, my dresser does the right dresser, guys, and the mirror the over there, so, and the bed that's the right here. Remember, I said, guys, in August is my birthday. We're so talking about because it's my birthday coming up, guys. We're talking about this in the day. Actually, it's a Leo. I am a Leo, and it's all about me. It is all about me. It's all about me. Really interesting to start, like, I want to clean my room at the same time because, as I say, anyways, hey guys, I am currently in Spanish Town, guys. Guys, so me I'm shipping from a package, guys. There's literally me working on community in Spanish Town, so I don't know these people. These people don't know me, so I'm kind of, you know, because I'm a celebrity. I don't. Oh my God, so my God, there's a blood clot. I am home. Don't mind me in my mind, guys. Time is so hot. I just come home. My belly they are whack me. I'm 13. Let me have that one like 11 o'clock. Oh, I'm shipping coming everything. I was talking about TikTok, so I'm everything, guys. Should I pick the room in white, guys? Because the white here can look nice. Like, should I put the room in white? I don't know. But this is the package that I have. It's huge. I can't make it really sit much. But it is so freaking huge. And guys, guess what I buy? Oh, let me just on the show. I buy a Dex. When I remember, I always said I want a little content creating space in my room. And so there, maybe like a couple weeks, I'm shipping for like 1 week now. So maybe like 3 weeks, I'm gonna buy this and whatever. I had Dex because I'm becoming more about it. I like an office space in my room, guys. Like growing up, when I just start social media, like I always want to ring light. The thing is, I never have the money to buy it. Like I was in school and I didn't. Like, me no want to pay a fancy lunch money to that, like, really lunch. Me can get school lunch money to that, it's like, my friends lunch money. And when we went to my partner draw, I'm with the draw, and one of my ring light, my parents was like, white, and I was like, whatever. And up to this day, I don't have a ring light. I don't own a ring light. Like, I don't own a ring light. The only time I own putting like content credit is like tripod, which is two. The first one, the team did give me for free. One I have now, I did buy it for like 1 year now. I have it, to be honest. And so I buy this. Basically, it's a Dex. But buy this off TV, guys, and my pretty like really up, you know. But anyways, buy it and excited. No unbox it. Really, I just don't want to unbox it for TikTok because me I create like for TikTok for a reason. So me I see can balance so many YouTube video unboxing and filming TikTok. But they here so I'm unboxing all of the parts them, and if you want to see with the paper there, I'm just gonna show the paper because there is no way, there is so many parts, not even know how to start, people. It was snowing so and ring it off. I need my room to actually look like presentable. I must take off them clothes, yeah, put on my shirt out, close them. So if I'm look warm, I don't mind. I'm gonna put on like a movie, go and watch a movie, and then I'm going to set up this because it's not gonna work out. I'm really and truly not gonna stress myself about this because what?
Não é só na vida que a vida, não é na janela que se olha.
Oh my god, guys, I am so tired. I finished set up building the furniture something, and this is how it looks. It is so cute. Like, oh my god, I'm so tired right now. I literally don't want to sleep. I finished the building. It never really hard like the bed. It was really pretty for bed and things, eh? It's nice, but kinda not mess it up, but it's good. It's good. It is good. Them couple screw left in it, but yeah, but I'm gonna stay right here, so. But it is perfect. Like, if you want to buy it, you should definitely buy it, you guys. It's worth it. Like, see me out, you know, like, get it at the job. Really kind of small for it, but let me say, I never really go to something too big because I don't want it too big. It's something very small. And yeah, you have this space over here so you can like drop anything you want to drop in it. You have a drawer, you can just drop anything you want to drop. I mess with this like a contents, some like, you know, from a film, you know, office editing. Like, I just plug in and look at charger and go take stuff, organization, and stuff. So, I don't know what you get. You need a chair, you know, so. Yeah, anyone want to buy me a chair, buy me a chair. But yeah, no sleep. Tired like dog. Hey guys! Literally the comments right now, but I'm sorry. But it's currently night time there, so I just want to eat dinner. And I watch Netflix and just a chill. Literally feel sad. I was vlogging you guys and yeah. But anyways, I don't know what to say, guys. I don't know what to say. But I am just going to chill for the rest of the night, to be honest. Like, I'll start edit this video, I'll edit the clips so I can actually post tomorrow. Yeah, but today was a great day, you guys. I don't know what if I don't know, but I'm just vlogging for you guys. I did set up over there, so I did over there, so see there, like right there. So yeah, over there, so now it's really nice to be honest. I don't know, we don't put it in my room because I don't know. Do all my bed set and the dresser is in the middle of the room, so it's like only leave it as corner, like corner, corner. So I'll probably have to go switch it up a little bit black and feel more space. Well, anyways, and the next now, me need the chair. If nobody want to buy me the kitchen chair, you guys will like if I'm on my birthday. But I will end the video because I want to start a vlog again on next video. Yeah, I am just excited. It's like these days, you guys, I have been like, I don't know, I feel like semi live my life off screen more, which I have no problem with. Like when I go out, maybe like my love take picture of everything, I take picture of everything. But sometimes when I go out now, it's like I take a picture, post my Instagram story, say, oh my god, and like I take it like for Instagram. Nowadays, I take a picture for myself. Like when I take a picture, I'm not thinking about social media, I'm thinking about myself. Not saying I like social media, but it's like I just enjoy things my way, and if I put it on social media, you guys actually love it same way. None of extreme is like me slowly but surely I figure out one whatever content I wanna put on social media, and I really say every kind of always never want to tweet, but I feel like say if you're on social media, do what you love, like do what you like, do what you like, and people will like your content. If you're a type of person who like anime, don't be afraid when you tenants in like anime post where you want post and your audience love it. And I like all the facts that even post not like it, and I'm very grateful for that. But me not talk about that, but is there me just talk about like Instagram. Like I feel like Instagram is so scary, guys. Like it's like when I have Instagram, it's like I'm like, oh my god, I feel post a story on Instagram. I feel this, like I just flex and I always I feel just on Instagram to feel. I don't know, but I just don't live the with Instagram. Instagram is just so scary, you guys. And anyways, yeah, I mean it's a part of what I want to do, content creating, but Instagram is just too, yeah. But yeah, Instagram must always make you feel like you have your post, like you have your post in your story every single day. Anyways, but my phone will literally fly with like so many pictures. Like I'm gonna go out sometime. I'm not post on Instagram stories. I'm gonna go out like I just post on my YouTube. But I'm just here chilling. I'm gonna edit the video here. So what did I phone? Anyways, let's just watch Netflix, go and edit the video here, and we filmed so much content today. I'm really so proud of myself for filming so much content. I want like pre-edit them, so like organize the clips and everything, and yeah, yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching this little like spend the weekend with me kind of video. One film and like, but it's just film vlog to be honest. Like yeah. Yeah, tomorrow more like at 5 o'clock because I'm challenging myself this week to go 5 o'clock every single day this week. So I'm praying that it work out. Yeah. So I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much and peace.